Hello children, good morning. In last class, we discussed about large numbers, right? In large numbers, we studied about international and Indian place value system of numbers. How can we find out that the place value of the given numbers and then predecessor and successor of given numbers, right? Yes, in this class, we will discuss about rounding up numbers. How can we round that number nearest to 10, 100, thousands? Okay, rounding to the nearest 10, 100, thousands. Round the number nearest to 10. See, first one, 74, 875, 1876 is there. You can round this number to nearest 10. How can we round this number nearest to 10? See here, first one example, 74. How can we round this number to nearest 10 means, see, if you round the number nearest to 10 means, first you have to see the digit in a ones place. Okay, first you have to see the digits in ones place. Which digit is there in ones place? You have to see that digit. See, 74 in ones place, which digit is there here? 4 is there. Okay, see this 4 is less than 5. Understood? No, 4 is less than 5. So, if we round this number to nearest 10 means it will become 70. Okay, in ones place that digit is less than 5. That will become a less number. Okay, it will become 4, it changes to 0. But tens place it is same only, that 4 it changes to 0. Okay, if it is in ones place less than 5 is there means here in a tens place that number same only means 70. Understood? No, see 74, 70, 71 in number line you see 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 74, it is nearest to which number? 70 or 80? That number it is nearest to 70. See here, it nearest to 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 number 74. But here after 1, before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number 74 is there. So 74 is nearest to 70. Okay, this is one method. This one is another one method. First you have to see in a ones place. If you can round the number nearest to 10 means you have to see the digit in a ones place. In ones place that digit is less than 5 means in tens place that number remains same only. If it is here 7 is there means it is equals to 7 only means 70. Okay, the tens ones place digit it changes to 0. Understood now? See second one 875. Here in ones place, which digit is there? See, in ones place, 5 is there. 5 or greater than 5 is there means that number it changes. Means in tens place, that number changes to after one number. Otherwise, in tens place, which digit is there? You have to add 1 for that number. Okay, see here in ones place, 5 is there. In ones place 5 or greater than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there means that the number it changes to next number means in tens place which number is there that digit it changes to next digit. Okay, see here 875 in ones place 5 is there, so it will become now 880. In 100 place that number same only. In a tens place which digit is there, no, that digit only it changes to next number. Understood? No, that digit only changes to next digit. Okay, 875 in ones place 5 is there, so we can round that number nearest to 10 means you have to see, you have to change the digit in a tens place. Okay, see it changes to 880. Okay, now see next number 1876. In ones place, which digit is there now here? See, which digit is there now in ones place? 6 is there. See, that 6 also greater than 5. 5 or greater than 5 number is there means it will changes to next number. See, here also in tens place 7 is there, so it will changes to 8. In 100 place and 1000 place remains same only. 1876 it changes to 1880. Understood now this one? This is about a nearest to 10. Okay, if you round the number nearest to 10 means you have to see a 10 ones place, and then in tens place that digit changes to next digit. Okay, otherwise you have to add 1 for that tens place digit. Understood now? If it is 5 or greater than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there means that the number it changes to next number. Okay, see 7876 it changes to 1876 it changes to 1880. Okay, see, round the number nearest to 100. If you can round the number nearest to 100 means, see, first question 456. Nearest to 100 means you have to see a tens place digit. Rules same only. If it is the digits in a tens place, it is a 5 or greater than 5 means in a 100 place digit it changes to next digit. Okay, otherwise you have to add 1 for that 100 place digit. Okay, but you have to see, if you round the number nearest to 100 means you have to see a tens place digit. Understood? If you have to see a tens place digit, see in 456 in tens place 5 is there, right? So in 100 place that digit it changes to 500. Next number in 100 place only that number changes to 5. Okay, that's 4 it changes to 5, and then next two number is there no in tens place and in ones place. For that two places digits you have to put 0. Okay, for all problems like that only you have to put next digits 0. Okay, see here 456 it will become 500. Nearest to 100 means 456 it will become 500. Understood? 4, 5, 6 because in tens place 5 is there. Okay, next see 1234. Nearest to 100 means we have to see a tens place digit. In tens place digit, which digit is there here? 3 is there. This 3 is less than 5. If it is in 1 tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there means less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 is there means that number in 100 place digit it is remains same only. Okay, it will not change to next number. See 1234 it is remains same only because in tens place 3 is there, so it will become 1200. Okay, next two digits it will become 00. Okay, 1000 place and 100 place number like this, and then after two numbers it will become 00. Okay, if round the number nearest to 100 means you have to see a tens place. Round the number nearest to 10 means you have to see a ones place. Okay, in ones place if it is greater than 5 or greater than 5 is there means a tens place digit it changes to next digit. Okay, like that in 100 also nearest to 100 means you have to see a tens place digit. In tens place 5 or greater than 5 is there means 100 place digit it changes to next digit, and then next two digits it will become 00. Okay, which how many numbers are there, how many digits are there, for that place you have to put 0. Okay, see if it is less than 5 means here that number in 100 place which number is there, that is remains same only. Understood now? Okay, see round the number nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000 means see 9765. You have to see the place value. You have to see the place of 100. Okay, in 100 place, which digit is there? You have to see that digit. Okay, you have to see round the number nearest to 1000 means you have to see a 100 place. Okay, nearest to tens means you have to see a ones place. Nearest to 100 means you have to see a tens place. Nearest to 1000 means you have to see 100 place. Okay, in 100 place, 5 or greater than 5 is there means thousands place number, it changes to next number. Okay, in 1000 place 9 is there means 9 plus 1 it will become 10. Understood now? And then next numbers, for next numbers you have to put 0. Here 7 is there, so it will become 10,000. Right? See, 45,145. Nearest to 1000 means first you have to see a 100 place, 100 place digit. Here 1 is there. It is less than 5. So it will become 45,000. 45 up to 100 place you have to write this number only, and then after how many numbers, how many digits are there, you have to put 0. Understood now about this? Nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. See, I will repeat once again. Round the number nearest to 10 means you have to see a ones place. Okay, in ones place, if it is less than 5 means it will become that number only, remains same only. If it is 74 means it will become 70. Okay, in ones place, if it is greater than 5 or 5 is there means that digit. In tens place digit, it will changes to next digit. Okay, 875 it changes to 880. You have to add 1 for the tens place digit. Understood? Now you have to add 1 for the tens place digit. It will become 880. Okay, round the number nearest to 100 means you have to see tens place digit. If it is 5 or greater than 5 is there means 100 place digit, it changes to next number. Means 4 is there means it changes to 5. Okay, next if it is less than 5 means that will remain same only. In 100 place which digit is there, that will become like that only, 1200. See here 3 is there, so it will become 1200 only. Here which number is there, which digit is there, that only. Okay, round the number nearest to 1000 means you have to see a 100 place digit. Okay, you have to see 100 place digit. Here see in 100 place 7 is there. If it is greater than 5 or greater than 5 means that will become a next number. Okay, you have to see nearest 1000 means first you have to see 100 place digit. Okay, and then in 1000 place which digit is there, that will change us to next digit. Okay, here 9 is there, 9 plus 1 it will become 10. See here 1 is there, if it is, this is less than 5, so this is remains same only, 45,000. Understood now how to round the number nearest to 10, 100, 1000. Okay, see some more example. 595. Okay, 595 equals to, round the number nearest to 10. Round the number nearest to 10. The nearest to 10 means which number now we have to see, which digit, which place digit we have to see now. We have to see now a ones place digit. Right, in ones place 5 is there. Right, in ones place 5 is there, so in tens place digit it changes to next digit. See here 9 is there, 9 plus 1 it will become 10, so it changes to 600. Right, 600. Next one more example, 363 is there. Okay, 363, round the number nearest to 10 means first you have to see a ones place digit. In ones place 5 is there, it is less than, sorry, in ones place 3 is there, it is less than 5, so it will become, in tens place digit 6 is there, it will remain same only. Right, it will, this is equals to 360. because in ones place 3 is there. Round the number nearest to 10 means you have to see a ones place digit. Understood now? Okay. Next, see 45,876. Okay, 45,876. Round the number nearest to 100. Round the number nearest to 100. This number you have to round this number nearest to 100. 100 means we have to see which place digit now. Tens place digit, right? In tens place, which digit is there? 7 is there. 7, it is greater than 5 or less than 5? This is greater than 5, right? So the answer is what? 45, it is remains same only. Okay, you have to change the number in 100 place only. 45, this is same only. Okay, in 100 place which digit is there? 8 is there. 8 plus 1, it will become 9. And then 2 digit is there, no, 7 and 6. In that place you have to put 0. 2 zeros. How many digits are there here? 2 digits. After 8, how many digits? 2 digits. In that 2 digits place you have to put 0. Understood now? Next, see, 1,67,564. Round this number nearest to 1000. Round this number nearest to 1000. How can we round this number now? Which place digit we will see now? Nearest to 1000 means we have to see a 100 place digit, right? In 100 place, which digit is there? 5 is there. It 5, otherwise greater than 5 is there means in 1000 place digit it will changes to next number, means next digit. Okay, see here 5 is there. In 100 place 5 is there, so it will changes to, in 1000 place 7 is there, it will changes to next digit, means 7 plus 1 8. But in lakh place 1 is there, that is remains same. In 10,000 place 6 is there, that is also same. But in 1000 place which digit is there here? 7 is there, it will changes to 8. Understood now? 1,68,000, and then after 100 tens ones place you have to put 0 0 0. In 1000 place only you have to change that number, and then you have to put 3 zeros. Understood now? How can we round this number nearest to 10, 100, 1000? Understood now? Yes. Okay, next about that, for this exercise. Exercise 1.9. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. First main, round the following numbers to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means first we have to see a ones place digit. Right, first one, see, 178. In ones place 8 is there. It is greater than 5. So the answer is 180. Right, see, in ones place 8 is there. In a tens place 7 is there. So 7 plus 1, it will become 8. So 178 equals to 180. Okay, see, next, second one, 56. Here also in ones place 6 is there. This also greater than 5. So 56, it will become 60. Right? Okay, next, third one, see, 71. In ones place 1 is there. It is less than 5. So 7, it will remain same only. Okay, it will not change. It will not change 7 plus 1. Okay, it is like remains same only. 7 becomes 7 only. 71, in ones place 1 is there, so it will become 70. Okay, fourth one you have to do this one. 49 is there. See, in ones place 9 is there. What is the answer? You have to think and write. 9, it is greater than 5. So 4, it changes to dash. You have to write for this answer. Next, fifth one, 25. In ones place 5 is there, so it will become 30. Right? Next, sixth one also you have to write 1239. Next, seventh one, 1978. Okay, see 1978. In ones place 8 is there, so tens place it changes to next digit. In tens place 7 is there, it will become 8, and then 100 and 1000 place remains same only. See 1980. Understood now? This is about round the numbers nearest to 10. Okay. Next, B main. What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10 to? What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10 to? List all the numbers. See here, first one, 140, right? 140. From which number it is nearest to 140? See, from 135 to 144. These numbers nearest to 140. If it is here, 134 is there, means, see, if it is 134 is there, means it is nearest to 140. See, in a nearest to 10 means we have to see a ones place. In ones place, which digit is there? 4 is there. So it will become 130 answer. So this 134, it is nearest to 130, right? It is not nearest to 140. Which number nearest to 140? You have to list all that numbers. See here, but 135, it is nearest to 140. Why? Because see, in ones place 5 is there. Yes, in ones place 5 is there. So in tens place, which digit is there? You have to add 1 for that digit. The answer is 1. Here 3 is there. 3 plus 1, it will become 4. 0. Right? From 135 onwards, these numbers that equals to 140. Understood now? And then next 136 also equals to 140. That number also nearest to 140. 137 also, 138, 139, and then 140 also equals to 140. And then up to where 144. Okay, 144. This also equals to 140. See here in ones place 4 is there. So this also equals to 140. If it is here 145 means this number is equals to 140. No, because here in ones place 5 is there. So here in tens place 4 is there. It changes to 5. It will become 150. This number is not equals to 140. Right? So up to 144 is equals to 140. Up from 135 to 144, this number nearest to 140. You have to list all these numbers like this. Understood now? Next, see second one. Second one you have to do this one. 200. Okay. From which number to which number? Nearest to 200, you have to think and write. See third one, 1000. Okay, 1000 means from 995 to 1004. If it is 994 means that is not equals to 1000. See 994 nearest to 10 means we have to see a ones place. In ones place 4 is there, so it will become 990. Right, the answer is 990. So it is not nearest to 1000. So from 995, that number equals to 1000. Right, here in ones place 5 is there, so this 99 it will changes to 100. It will become 1000. Right, now from 995 onwards up to 1004, it is equals to 1000. These are the all numbers, that these numbers nearest to 1000 from 995. Total how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 up to 999. 1000 also equals to 1000 only, and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, total how many numbers? 4 numbers nearest to 1000. From this number, from 995 to 1004, this number nearest to 1000. Okay, fourth one, see 20. From 15. Okay, from 15 to 24, that is equals to 20. Okay, it's 17 also. See here 17 is there. No, 17 also equals to 20 because in ones place 7 is there. So it will changes to, it will become 20. Right. So 18 also equals to 20, 19 also. From 15 to 24, this number nearest to 20. Okay. These are all numbers nearest to 10. Nearest to tens means like these numbers. Nearest to this number. Understood? No, like this you have to list. For 200 you have to write. If it is 200 means from which number? From which number it will start now? From 195, right? From 195 to up to 204. Okay, up to 200. 204, this is equals to 200. If it is 205 means it will become, see, if it is 205 means, see here 5 is there, so this 0 it will changes to 1, right? So 205 is not equals to 200. Okay, up to 204, 195 to 204, this is equals to 200. Okay, do this one in a classwork. Next, see, round the following numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means you have to see a tens place digit. Right, first one, 1289 is there. You have to do this one. First, you have to see a tens place digit. In tens place, 8 is there. So, 2 it will changes to what? You have to think and write. Next, second one, 535. See, in tens place, 3 is there. So, it will changes to 500. 5 is remains same only. And then in ones place 5 is there. For that place, you have to put 0. Third one also you have to write. See, 1229 is there. In tens place, 2 is there. It is less than 5. So, what is the answer? You have to think and write. Next, fourth one, 1156. Okay, see here in tens place 5 is there. So, if this 1 changes to 2. The answer is 1200. 1000 place same only. 1 is there, 1 only. Then 100 place only it changes to next number means 2. And then 2 digits are there in ones place and tens place. You have to put in that places zeros. Understood now this one? How can we round the numbers to nearest 100? And then how can we list the number nearest to 10 of these numbers? Okay, from which number to which number you have to list that numbers. Next, D-min. See, list the numbers that can be rounded to the nearest 100 to. Okay, nearest 100 to. First one, 1400. Okay, nearest 100 means which place now we have to see now? Tens place, right? In tens place, 0 is there. From which number to now? 1350 to 1449. This number nearest to 1400. Well, see here. In here, 1350 is there. If it is 1349 is there means 1349. This number is equals to nearest to 100 means which place now we have to see? We have to see now tens place. See here in tens place 4 is there. Right? In tens place 4 is there. It is less than 5. So it will, this equals to 1300. Right? Now here we want 1400. Which numbers? These are all nearest to 1400. So from 1352. Okay, 1350 it is equals to 1400 because in tens place 5 is there. This 3 it changes to 4. So 1400. Right, 1350 is equals to 1400. 1351 also equals to 1400. Okay, from 1350 to 1449 up to 1449, this equals to 1400. See, because in tens place 4 is there, this also equals to 1400. If it is 1450, Okay, 1450. It is equals to which number? See here in tens place 5 is there. This 4 it changes to which number? 5. This 1500 equals to 1400? No. Up to 1449 is equals to 1400. Okay. From 1352. This is up to how many numbers? 998 numbers is equals to 1400. This is too difficult to write. So you have to write like this: 1352, 351, and then put dash 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 up to 1399. Okay, up to 399 equals to 1400, and after 1401 to 1449 is equals to 1400. Like this you have to write. Okay, otherwise too difficult to write from these 1000 numbers. Okay, 1352 1449 is difficult to write, so you have to write like this. Okay, 1350, 351, 352, write only 3 to 4 numbers. Okay, and then you have to put dash and then write last number, and 1401 to 1449. Like this you have to write. Okay, next 2500, second one. From 2450 to 2549 is equals to 2500. Okay, from 2450 you have to think once. Okay, from 2450 to 2549 is equals to 2500. Okay, next 4700 is equals to fourth one. Okay, third one you have to write. What is the third one answer? Question no, 3600. You have to write, you have to list the numbers nearest to 3600. Okay, fourth one, see 4700. 4000, from 4650 to 4749. Okay, from 4650 to 4749. All these numbers are equals to 4700. Okay, like this you have to think once, you have to check once these numbers are equals to 4700 or not. You have to once check and you have to write. For the 3600 you have to list the numbers. Understood now this one? Okay, next see. Email. Round the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay, round the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means you have to see a 100 place. Okay, first one 13,546. In 100 place, which digit is there here? 5 is there, right? In 100 place, 5 is there. So, this 5 is greater than or 5 or greater than 5 is there means in 1000 place number it changes to next number. Okay, see here the 13,546 is there. Here 3 is there. 3 next number is 4. Right? 13,546 is equals to 40,000. Okay, 3 is next number is 4. 1 is remain same only. 3 it will become 4. And then next you have to put 3 zeros. Next second one 24,408. See here in 100 place 4 is there. So the answer is 24,000 only. 4 it doesn't change. Okay, 4 it remains same only because 4 is less than 5. Next see. Third one 36,705. In 100 place 7 is there. It is greater than 5. So 6 it changes to 7. So the answer is 37,000. Right. Next fourth one see 48,032. In ones place, sorry, in 100 place 0 is there. So the answer is 48,000. Okay, because here 0 is there. This also less than 5. So the answer is 48,000. If it is 0 is there means in ones place that will changes to here which number is there, no? That number only. Okay, that 0 also less than 5 only. Okay, this is the round the following number nearest to the 1000. Next one, Fmin. List all the numbers which can be rounded to the nearest 1002. Okay, list all the numbers. That numbers rounded to the nearest thousand. See here. First one, 24,000. Okay, 24,000. From which number to which number? That number nearest to this number, 24,000. You have to list that all numbers. See, from 23,500 to 24,499. All these numbers are equals to 24,000. Okay, up to 9,000 numbers are there. These 1,000 numbers are equals to 24,000, because here nearest to 1,000, right? In D may nearest to 100, in B may nearest to 10. Okay, but here in nearest to 1,000, so you have to see a 100 place. So that number is changes to, from which number? From 23,500 to 23,499. If it is there, means that is equals to which number? See, you have to see a nearest to 1,000 means you have to see 100 place, right? In 100 place 4 is there, so it is equals to 23,000, because it is less than 5, right? So from 23,500 to, okay, 23,500. See here, in 100 place 5 is there, so it changes to 24,000. Okay, from 23,500 to 24,499, these all numbers is equals to 24,000. These all numbers are nearest to 24,000. Like this you have to write. Okay, like 110 is there, no, like that only thousands. Okay, you have to think and write from this number. This also difficult to write, from 23,500 to 24,499. So like this you have to write from 23,500, 23,501, 23,502, and then put dash 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 dash, and then write 23,999. And from 24,001 to 24,499. This 24,499 also equals to 24,000. See, 24,499. This also equals to 24,000, because in 100 place 4 is there. So this also equals to 24,000. If it is 24,500 is there, means what happened? See, 24,500 is there, means 24,500 is equals to which number? See here. In 100 place 5 is there. So this 4 it changes to 5. This 24,500 is equals to 25,000. So from 23,500 to 24,499 is equals to 24,000. These are all numbers nearest to 24,000. Understood now? See, 15,000. Second one, 15,000. From 14,500 to 15,500, sorry, 499. These are all nearest to 15,000. Like this you have to list. Okay, don't write all numbers. Like this you have to list and think and write. Next, third one, 36,000. From 35,000 to 500. 35,500 to 36,499. Okay, from this number to up to here, 36,499. All these numbers are nearest to 36,000. Okay, fourth one you have to write 48,000. From which number? 47,500 to 48,499. Up to that number is equals to 48,000. You have to think and write. Okay, like this only you have to write. Don't write all numbers. Okay, like this you have to write. Understood now? How can we list this number? Nearest to 100 means from here, nearest to 1,000 means. Okay, see, one clue also is there. Nearest to 100 means before 50 number, see here 1,400 is there. 1,400 before 50 number means 1,352. After 1,400, 50 numbers. 50 numbers means don't write up to 1450. 1450 is equals to 1500. Up to 1449 you have to write. This is one clue. Okay, before 50 numbers to after 50 number, but don't write last 50 number, means 1450. Up to 1449, up to 49 you have to write. Like same only 1000 also. See, before 500 numbers, 23,500. Before here 50 numbers, but here before 500 numbers to next 500 number. Here also don't write up to 24,500, because that 24,500 is equals to 25,000. Okay, up to 499 only you have to write. This is one clue. Here you have to start from before 500 to after 500. Okay, here you have to start from before 50 to after 50. Okay, here total 100 numbers, but here total 1000. In tens only 9, means 10. Okay, here it will comes 99, here it will 9999 numbers. Okay, these are numbers are equals to this number. Like this you have to list the numbers and you have to write. This is up to 1.9. Okay, if it is any doubt is there, means you have to call and ask me. Okay, now I will end the class. Up to here all you have complete your textbook and classwork. All you are complete. Thank you, children.